Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Katya. For those of you who do, welcome back. So for today's video, I decided to do a short and sweet video. I'm right in the process of doing the front porch to decorate it a little bit more fall vibes. So of course I had to do a wreath. You know I love my wreath. Every season I have to have a wreath on my front porch. So I thought I would show you how I did my wreath, and then in the next video I'm going to show you how I decorate my front porch. So it's going to be a short one, but it's a DIY. I actually got a lot of the flowers from the dollar store. I got some of them from HomeSense. I also got the wreath thrifted. So I found that sort of wreath and I immediately thought that it would look beautiful for fall. So I wanted to use some orangey tones this year. Last year I did some green tones. This year I'm going a little bit more traditional and I am feeling a little bit more burnt orange, orangey. I'm going to have some orange pumpkins. I'm not sure, but I'm feeling more traditional Halloween, but without it looking tacky. Okay, so before we get into the video, I wanted to first off say thank you so much for all of your beautiful comments from my last video on the home tour, but I wanted to clarify something. I have never seen so many messages saying, where does my husband keep his clothes? So let me clarify that. There is so many different closets in every single room that I didn't show you. So my husband has the black dresser that's below the TV. Then he has another closet, and pretty much downstairs in the basement is all of his. So that's the thing that you don't know, and maybe I should have mentioned because it looks like I have a bunch of rooms that are my rooms. The deal was when we moved here that I get the upstairs and my husband gets the downstairs. So he has all of the downstairs. The guest bedroom is pretty much his bedroom. If he wants to do a little nap, like power naps, there's the closet in the entryway. Half of it is mine, half of it is his. So maybe I should have opened the closet doors. Maybe he would have understood more. Maybe there wouldn't have been so much misunderstanding. We are still together. We've been together for, we're going on 19 years. So we are not going anywhere. We are stuck together. I love him so much. And honestly, most of his clothes end up on the floor next to our bed. That's his closet. But anyway, so I wanted to also say my husband is not very much into fashion. When I say complete opposites, we are complete opposites. He is more into science, mathematics. I am much more into visual, fashion, arts. So we cannot be more different. So when it comes to his clothing, he has his little t-shirts folded and he has his underwears, a couple of suit jackets for work. He's not much of a fashion guy, so he doesn't require as much space as I do. So maybe that was where it was a little bit confusing. So I just want to clarify it because we are still together and he does live here and it's hidden. His stuff is more hidden. Mine is a little bit more visual. My husband is not into decorating either, so he gives me full range to decorate the house. So he's like, do whatever you want, and that's what I do. So I wanted to clarify that. So anyway, without further ado, we are going to jump right into this video. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Of course, I have to let you know what I am wearing. So I'm going to start off with this super cute little bow tank top, and I end up getting it from my bestie. She surprised me with it and I love it. It is so cute. I love the little bows. It's actually, I believe, from Target. If I can find the link for you, I will leave it. Then I have Zara trousers like this. I'm doing a little beige moment today. And then most of my jewelry is either from Koakaya, Ana Luisa, and that's pretty much it. Gold hoops I got from Winners, I believe, a few years ago. And then there's my Koakaya cuff. So that is it. That is my outfit. For my next video, like I told you, it is going to be decorating the front porch. I'm so excited. I have been waiting for the pumpkins to come out. So I'm waiting for them to come, or so that we can go pumpkin picking and maybe make a selection of pumpkins so I can have pumpkins. I don't know why. It's taking a little bit longer this year. So the pumpkins are still not out. But as soon as they do, I will be doing the front porch and I cannot wait to share it with you. So thank you so much for watching. I love you always. Have an amazing day. Mwah. Bye, guys.